Hey, are you looking for a tractor? Here at TWP Motorsports, we've got them. These bad boys are like a Swiss Army knife of American get her done. Not only we get the job done in record time, you'll get her done right. Why work harder on your large property or job site like this guy? Brother, you need to implement all the possibilities. Our tractors have implements for every job. Pallet forks, no more unloading one bag at a time. Move the entire pallet to save time and your back. Box blades, perfect for maintaining trails, smoothing out gravel driveways, and much more. Our tractors make mowing great again. Our deck-mounted systems of 54 to 60 inches offers a crisp, clean cut. But if you need maximum coverage, we have rotary cutters that range from 4 to 10 feet of cutting power. I could talk about bad boy tractors and implements all day long, but to find the perfect one for you today, come see us at TWP Motorsports. We are your one-stop shop.